Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird,
Go ahead, Alpha.
bird is a winner.
Deliver that all clear.
Bird, well, a bird is a winner.
Bravo.
Well, a bird, bird,
Sandstorm. Not much to see right now. Over.
the bird is a winner.
Zulu.
Well, a bird,
We're starting our patrol team below the canyon. North side access road, over. Disciple 4, Oxide. What's your status, over? Catwalk all clear. Visibility 100% over. Copy that, Disciple 4. Finish your sweep and get back inside. Reports and Sandstorm on the way.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird.
We're gonna get you on the 105, shooting some TP rounds. Good with that? I want you to be absolutely careful because the turbulence right now is really bad. But remember how this works, right? You're gonna take your hand, you're gonna cut the back. You wanna go 65 right? You're gonna take it out, slide it into your hand, you're gonna shoot over, and it slides right in, right? Okay, awesome. Okay, does that make sense? Alright, it's already selected, so you're going to close your breech, hit F1, and then arm it. Okay, gun ready.
Gun ready.